Good day, teacher. I'm going to talk about a feature of the Buenaventura. Condition of the street. In the 1990s, the streets of Buenaventura were not as well maintained as they are today. Many roads were improved and relocated with photo making transportation difficult. Currently, the main streets are as paved as those in other Colombian cities, although some areas still face issues with maintenance. Safety infrastructure. The streets in the 1990s were not as safe as they are now, with frequent incidents for violence and crime, particularly after dark. Today, there is more street lighting and better police presence making certain areas as safe as one could expect in a city still facing social change. Urban development. The urban layout of Fuerteventura's streets in the 1990s was not as organized as it is today. Over the years, urban planning and change have improved the city's structure, making navigation as straightforward as in more developed urban areas. However, some neighborhoods are still not as well organized as the central areas. Thank you, teacher, very much.